Question 1. Which Indian state is known for the Gir National Park? Option. Correct answer is B. Gujarat. Question 2. Wrote the book Wings of Fire? Option. Correct answer is B. APJ Abdul Kalam. Question 3. Who was the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize for Physics? Option. Correct answer is B. C.V. Raman. Question 4. Which city is known as the Detroit of India? Option. Correct answer is B. Chennai. Question 5. Which Indian state is known for the Meenakshi temple? Option. Correct answer is C. Tamil Nadu. Question 6. Which river is known as the Sorrow of Bengal? Option. Correct answer is C. Damodar. Question 7. Which Indian state is the largest producer of coffee? Option. Correct answer is C. Karnataka. Question 8. Who was the first Indian to win the World Chess Championship? Option. Correct answer is A. Viswanathan Anand. Question 9. Who was the first Indian to win a Grammy Award? Option. Correct answer is C. Ravi Shankar. Question 10. Who wrote the book Train to Pakistan? Option. Correct answer is B. Khushwant Singh. Question 11. Who was the first Indian woman to win a gold medal in Commonwealth Games? Option. Correct answer is D. Krishna Punia. Question 12. Which Indian state is the largest producer of mustard? Option. Correct answer is D. Rajasthan. Question 13. Who was the first Indian to win the Gyanpith Award for English Literature? Option. Correct answer is A. Amitav Ghosh. Question 14. Which Indian state is famous for the Pushkar Camel Fair? Option. Correct answer is B. Rajasthan. Question 15. Who is known as the Iron Lady of India? Option. Correct answer is B. Indira Gandhi.